We're here again at Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2025 SHOT Show, and it would not be a SHOT Show without ESEE Knives. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Survival on Purpose's coverage of the SHOT Show is sponsored by Hog Holsters, helping Americans wear guns, and Excess Sights, the fastest sights in any light. Hog Holsters and Excess Sights, both proudly made in the USA. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2025 SHOT Show. I'm here with Patrick, old friend Patrick from ESEE Knives, and they've got something I was really excited to see, something new from them that I would have never expected to come from ESEE, but I think if anybody can do it right, they did. So I'm going to let Patrick show us. Patrick, take it away. Show us what we got some new stuff here.
So we've had the Avispa and the Vancudo liner lock knives that have been out for a while. Blue Ridge is having those made. They're also starting to offer automatic version. This is made in the USA. 14C28N is the steel, which is a Sandvik steel. They had to go a little thicker because of the spring inside. So you can do it right-handed, left-handed. We also have the little Vancudo. Same steel. Once again, a little bit thicker to house the spring. Real excited about those and hoping those are going to do real well.
And it's also, this one, the big one is 100% ambidextrous, right?
Both of them are.
Oh, this one is too? You move the clip around?
Left-handed, right-handed. You can do it with a finger on the opposite side.
Very cool.
Excited about that.
Yeah, I'm excited about it. And then you also, I saw something maybe came out, last time we looked at anything was at Blade Show. And I think you had something came out new since Blade Show, did you?
No, the Pacaya, we showed it at Blade Show. Okay. It was new about that time. It's been out for a while now. This is the first time we've had it at SHOT Show.
Okay, all right. And that's, is that Magna Cut?
Yes. Now that was CPM 3B.
Okay.
But another thing, we came out with the 3D G10 scales for a lot of our knives.
Oh, yeah.
But for the longest time, we weren't selling the scales as a standalone item.
Oh, really?
Finally, we planned on it eventually. We're finally going to do that. So now if you already own one of the older ESEEs with the flat scales and you want to do a 3D G10 in whatever color, we're going to start offering that. You get the screw sets that come with it and also a little Allen tool to swap it out.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool. I like the rounded handles myself.
Yeah.
But honestly, I got to give props to you. This knife still, this is your design, right?
It is.
This is, man, and I have some people say, that looks like that would be uncomfortable. Man, I'm telling you, this is like still one of my favorite knives ever.
I appreciate that.
It's just, man, the PR4, it's close to perfection in just a general use knife as I've ever seen.
I appreciate that.
I dig it, man. I really do. So, well, I like ESEE Knives. They make absolutely excellent stuff. They got the best warranty in the industry, and they're knives made by people who use knives.
Yeah.
I've never seen anybody at ESEE booth with a suit, right?
Yeah.
I'm not saying they don't own suits.
We're not suit people.
You know what I'm talking about. So anyway, well, Patrick, thanks, man. I know it's a busy show. Thank you for watching Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2025 SHOT Show. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.